Hi, everyone. It's Pete Carmasino with Chaikin Analytics for another session of Stock Spotlight. As a reminder, this is not meant to be a recommendation. This is for informational purposes only. We are not advisors. We don't know your risk tolerance. We're here explaining our system, how you could use it to your benefit, not advice. Today's stock is the Mosaic Company. So let's get right to the chart. Looking at the Mosaic Company, we see it's a chemical company. That's identified right here by the industry that it's in. They focus on chemicals that help the agricultural business. Been around for a long time. Stock's got a market cap of about $11.5 billion or so, almost $12 billion. Revenue about very close to 9 and P of 17. Very reasonable. Got some growth to it. Look at financials, not overpriced from a valuation from price to book and price to sale. So in a nice spot as well. If I look at performance, the stock has been up over the past 52 weeks, over 200% now. The stock was very oversold early on in the lockdowns and the pandemics last year. And you can see it was really kind of trading in the close to the single digits, even back in this area around in May of 2020. So slowly the stock had been moving higher. Our rating turned bullish ahead of something very important on our chart, which is a relative strength change. So this happens a lot. We can find and locate names that change relative strength after they become bullish, and it happens frequently. So we can show you how to use this system to kind of find these kind of names early on in the trend. We also have 6 sets of buy and sell signals here. And if I look at the overbought, oversold, you can see this triggered almost four times exactly. And it looks like it's triggering it again. So we're here at an oversold setup. We're very strong relative strength, bullish, very bullish rating, as you can see right here. Now, money flow kind of tailed off a little bit, so we may not be getting the signal, but it is setting up and it's an interesting play. And you've got a company and stock that's actually been performing quite nicely. And look at the growth between 20 and 21. You might see something here that might lead to a catalyst. So if we go to experts, this is our sentiment area. You see analyst rating trend is still very bearish. So if that starts to continue or continues to the bullish side, I should say, we might see a catalyst here for higher moves. Again, no guarantee. We're just looking at evidence and trying to weigh the evidence and put all of the odds in our favor. That's really what we do. It's a weight of the evidence approach. So why am I showing you this? Well, I'm showing this because you can do this too. It's a system. It's a repeatable approach. We show you how to do it. And we even have a checklist to look at names to make sure that you're viewing the chart correctly. So once you learn that, you may or may not use the checklist every time, but it definitely is a helpful reminder. But you can see by looking at the chart, all of the setups are there and very clear and easy to understand. So you got to do this yourself. You have to take a trial to just test drive this out, and I'll show you how to do that. Simply go to chaikinanalytics.com, spelled right here, CHAIKIN, analytics.com/stock spotlight, one word. Go there, log in, put your information in. No credit card, no obligations. You get it for 14 days for free. It's just a test drive. You get all of the things that our regular subscribers get for the 2 weeks. You get newsletters from me on a morning basis. You get them from Mark Chaikin on a weekly basis. It's very simple. Come out and try it. Believe me, you'll like it. You can follow me on Twitter at Pete Carmasino. Again, at Pete Carmasino on Twitter. Thanks again for joining. Have a great day.